What's up, YouTube? I am back in the garage, and today, for a little bit, I am going to be messing with the fuel tank, trying to get that hat in and whatnot. So, I already cut the tank and started prepping it. I was going to weld it, but now I gotta go to work. But let me cut to what I've done so far. So, there's the factory little pickup point. So, here's the Miata hat. At first I cut out just the circle and put my hat in to make sure it lined up. Then I figured how much of this big guy I need, and that'll go like that. I'll bend these little low spots up to meet up. That's that. Here's my pump. This is just for mock-up. I will make a better bracket with the bottom mounting piece, probably just like factory. I just got to make sure everything fits right. And they actually just sell kits where it is a hose clamp like this, so don't hate. This is the hokiness I was talking about earlier. So I guess they were missing parts, so they were creative and it worked. So, oh yeah, so this guy, for you guys to see, well, you know, land in the hat like that. So let's drop this in here. You see, that's where it's going to sit. Just like, come on, focus, just like that. So there's my low point. I might weld in some baffling, I may not, but that is where I'm at. I got the hole cut, ready to tack it up and go from there. The brake line's finally done. The fuel line is ran where it's supposed to be. Once again, I am cutting short right at the firewall here. Just gonna have the hoses come up, maybe run a external regulator for wow factor, because I got one. And then what else? I did buy some new stuff from Harbor Freight. Where'd it go? I lost it already. Oh, here it is. So I bought their little body saw. It actually works pretty decent. Spent the money, got the better Chief blades, I think they're called. And that's what allowed me to cut the first oval out. I just drilled one hole and I was able to cut this out, and it came out pretty good. And from there, I decided to hack up the rest of the hole. So, let me cut to another scene where it is tacked up and we'll go from there. So, some of the welds came out better than others. I still needed some more grinding down, see if I got any pinholes, since this is a flux core. Sometimes you get them. But, yeah, that's how it's going to look for the most part. Let's grab the hat here. And, ta-da! Fuel tank. Just for shits and giggles. Oops. Ta-da! I'm not using these. Like I said, I got those other fittings. But there you go. Fuel tank. And just in case you're wondering, it was a brand new fuel tank. So that's why it's not purged. That's why I didn't fill it full of water. It is a brand new, never seen gasoline gas tank. And as for the flange, well, it's already been cut out, washed, degassed, whatever. But the old tank to the muffler of that ran the car for like 10-20 minutes. And the smell of purely fell gas and whatnot pretty much went away. And I filled it full of water when I cut it. So yeah, I felt safe. But until next time, peace out. Thanks for watching.